Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Hi. Hello my friends, welcome. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. Hello my friends, welcome to a new YouTube video. I'm going to unbox the N5 iPad Pro, and it's 10 times faster than the 2017 iPad Pro. Let's open the box. This is iPad Pro. Let's put the iPad on the side and let's see what comes in the box. The instruction manuals. It says iPad Pro, then a black USB-C cable and a USB-C power adapter. Let's see the iPad Pro. It has the standard display. This is 256 gigabytes. It has a scanner and a LiDAR scanner and the camera. And to unlock the iPad, you have to use Face ID in landscape mode. Bye my friends, in the next unboxing.